Okay, so I got a new webcam, the Logitech C525. I got this so I could start making higher quality YouTube videos. Just trying to put better product out there for everyone. But let's go ahead and open it up and see what's inside. Kind of doing this one-handed here. Let's peel it open. Alright. Nothing else in the box. Looks like we have a user guide. There's the camera itself. It's a nice little thing. Looks like it's just got a USB cable. And this packaging is crazy. I guess they don't want you to get it out of there. Alright. So here's the device itself. It's got a nice little stand on it. The camera swivels and it folds up. Makes it really compact. Alright, next thing we're going to do is we're going to plug this in, set it up, and see how good a quality is. Alright guys, this is the Logitech C525 webcam. Pretty happy with it. Looks pretty good. Everything except my face. Holy crap. Well, anyways, that's the camera. I'm pretty happy with the colors. It looks pretty good. I think I just might keep it. Damn, my head looks funny. Alright, well anyways, that's it. Hopefully you enjoyed the unboxing of it. The video that I was recording before was actually, I was recording it with my T-Mobile G1. Yeah, man, this phone's been around forever. But hey, you know, it does the job. I receive text messages and phone calls. But I think I'm going to be sticking with this camera. I'm pretty happy with it. It looks good. It's got a nice little compact design. And there was no software to install. I just plugged it in and it worked. And it looks great. So I'm pretty happy with it. I hope you guys like it. Logitech C525 webcam ran about $44. And I think it's pretty good quality. It's I think it's 720p. And I definitely recommend you get one. And that's it.